Hey guys, Daryl here at hudsonscustommachining.com. I've got the 1908 GE fan motor torn down on the bench here, and I just wanted to document the internal centrifugal start switch insulators that I had commented in my last video that I was going to replace them. This is something that it's maybe a $8 item, and there's no way I would go into this fan so far as to put new bearings in it and not replace some little item as this. You can see this fell apart on me as I took the screws out, and you see the new ones in there. The new ones are black. I didn't have any red insulator material, so I just used the black. But I've got new insulators made and installed. Everything's working like it's supposed to in here. And these old ones were so brittle they just crumbled on me when I took them apart. These are cracked. You might can see the crack here on this one. It's cracked all the way across. And this one's split. So it was a good thing to go ahead and replace these insulators while I had it torn this far down. So that's just a lesson to be learned. Anytime you go this far into something and you're into it for a certain amount of money, it's, you know, what is it to spend $8 or $10 more to go ahead and replace these little items like this? So that's all for now, and she's just about ready to go back together. So I'll end this video for now, and stay tuned for the last part of this project. Once we get the motor all buttoned back up and get it running, we'll document that. And this will be the end of the project. All right, y'all take care.